Are you looking to grow your property business but don't know where to start? Maybe you've got no money and you're really struggling to figure a way out. Here at Peak Performance Property, many of our students have started in exactly the same situation but have come through the other end by understanding the various strategies, the various ways how to joint venture with people, plus all the magic tools that you can have in your property toolkit to build a property empire. Now, how do we know this? Because I have firsthand done it, Dixesh has done it, Emmanuel has done it, and hundreds of students that we have coached are also doing it, done it, and will continue to do it in the future. Don't let anything be your limitation. You can also do it, even if you have no money right now to get started. Watch this video and we're going to show you how.
Hi everybody. So today I'm just going to talk about the importance of education. In property or in any business, from my perspective, there are absolutely no new mistakes. So either you can go along and learn through life's journey and mistakes and create those, which can be very, very expensive, or you can accelerate your property journey through the experiences of the three mentors, myself, Ryan and Emmanuel, so that you make decisions based on constructive experience, so you can actually get your property journey to a level to improve your cash flow, so that, you know, in most cases people actually want to leave their job, and in a very short space of time you can actually probably do that in less than 6 to 9 months. So as part of our OPP series, Other People's Property, you can actually get involved in real estate to acquire assets with the least amount of capital, to control assets, to be able to sweat them through either HMOs or SAs or thereof. Property is one of the best tools to be able to give yourself financial freedom, and more importantly, choices, so that if you decide that you actually want to leave your job and actually move into the world of property full time, you can then find the time to be able to scale your business to a whole new level, which is what existing students are doing who've been with us for some time. Now here's Emmanuel, who's going to explain it even further.
Peak Performance Property in 2022, how can we help you with your journey? Well, one of the areas we're going to help you with is your mindset, to give you the confidence and the ability to take action quickly. So mindset is a keystone, a fundamental part of how we start your journey. The other part is to show you how to use the tools and the strategies without having a lot of money. It's a misconception in property that you need money yourself. You need to know how to access money. We will show you how to access money so you can benefit and participate with property with different creative strategies. Don't take my word for it. Here are some of our students with their journey, their experiences and their successes. Much better hearing it from other people rather than from me.
How important is mentoring, and when did you realise that you needed to get it right?
It's kind of essential. It depends what you want to achieve. If you're being mentored by someone who's done the journey that you want to do, you're essentially fast tracking your experience. Lessons, are expensive in property. Ignorance is even more expensive in any project or business you try and start. But if you've got the opportunity to follow someone and for someone to guide you in the right direction, it's a bit like a plane. If you're on autopilot, you get to the destination in a smooth fashion. If you don't, who knows where you'll end up.
Having a mentor, mentors and experts around me within the mastermind group has allowed me to break down my mental blockers and take that step forward with continued support at different levels, and it's completely changed my thinking, really.
I never really had thoughts about mentors or help, anything like that. I went to university and so on, but when I went onto my fitness journey and I lost a large amounts of weight in a few weeks, and that was through an expert, what I realized through that process is that there's a lot of other people who are trying to do these things but are not actually reaching their goals, and there are other people who are doing it within a few weeks. So the question I asked myself is, what is the difference there? And the difference was that these people had mentors or experts who were helping them along the way. And through that experience and through the results from that experience and myself seeing those results, I realized that actually a mentor will serve me in every point of life. So I've decided that I need mentors for my health, for my business, and for my mindset.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and to watch our different videos on our YouTube channel on Peak Performance Property. We look forward to continuing your journey with us on our different platforms.